to determine all the source, excepting source. Excepting means bird. Which are bird? That is mentioned bird. Which is bird? Bird either bird may be either pecuniary jurisdiction, territorial jurisdiction, or subject matter. Territorial jurisdiction, pecuniary jurisdiction, right? Territorial jurisdiction, pecuniary jurisdiction, and subject matter. Right? These three are main criteria has to be seen. Suppose a partition suit between in a family arises, then where they have to go? They have to go if it arises in Panighati. Suppose the university falls in Panighati case. If it is in Panighati comes under backward subdivision. So you will have to go before Sirija Junior Division Barakpur if the value. Next comes to value.
So this falls within Khorda jurisdiction, police station.
Khorda. Still it will come. Still there. Then it will come under Barakpur subdivision. So it's called territorial jurisdiction. Territorial jurisdiction means, and one thing is important. First, before entering into this, I will go on another point to discuss with you section 15 to 20. It will be very much helpful to understand the section 15 to 20. Section 15 to 20 regulates the